at the bus stop. If you are wondering whether your bus has already gone, you can ask one of the other people waiting at the bus stop. Tólf komið? Tólf farið? Tólf búið að fara? When Icelanders speak of buses by their number, you'll often hear a slightly different set of numbers, such as tvistur, þristur, fjarki, fimma. Þristurinn kominn? Getting on the bus. The buses will stop if they see you standing at the bus stop, so you don't necessarily need to flag them down. During the dark season, it's however a good idea to make yourself clearly visible by waving, for example, a reflector or the lit screen of your mobile at the oncoming bus. If the driver doesn't see you, they won't stop. Greeting the driver of the bus is the norm. Icelandic doesn't have a way of saying good morning, so you will usually be using good day until about 6 p.m., at which point it changes to good evening. This will vary a little bit, but as the driver often greets you first, you can just answer them in kind. Góðan dag. Daginn. Gott kvöld. Kvöldið. Not sure of whether you're taking the right bus? You can ask the driver, for example, Ertu að fara til Hlems? Mjóttar? Mosfellsbæjar? Esju? Just change the name into the genitive form of whatever place you're heading to. Sometimes the driver's attention may be elsewhere just when you need to get off the bus. Then you can say, Geturðu stoppa? Or Gætirðu stoppa? The latter form is more polite. If the problem is that they are not opening the door for you, you can say, Opnaðu aftan? Or Gætirðu opnað aftan? The latter is again more polite. Although sometimes you'll hear people just shout, Opnaðu! This is rude, even by Icelandic standards. Either the shouter is just being obnoxious, or maybe they're drunk. Once out of the bus, the worst case scenario is that you still somehow didn't get where you wanted to go, or maybe you just don't know your surroundings. Then you can ask, Afsakið, ég er villt. Afsakið, ég er villtur. Ég er að leita að Hlemmi, Mjódd, Mosfellsbænum, Esju. Just change the location with the dative form of the place you're looking for. Happy traveling!